I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. I'm contesting election for the President of Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe in 2025 election. In my letter to the General Medical Council, I requested a meeting with the GMC to address a range of critical issues affecting Pakistani doctors and other international medical graduates. The GMC invited the APPNE leadership to meet with the Director of Equality, Diversity and Inclusion. In this productive meeting, we discussed about the referral of BAME doctors, especially Pakistani and Muslim doctors, to the General Medical Council. It was emphasized how crucial it is to ensure fair and unbiased treatment in such referrals. We also discussed the GMC referrals of Muslim doctors, Pakistani doctors speaking up in light of the recent Middle East war. I brought to the GMC's attention that fundamental human rights and British values have been tarnished due to the draconian sanction of doctors for raising concerns about the human rights violation. We also discussed the impact of referrals and investigation of doctors. The investigations take months and in some cases years to complete at the expense of the doctor's mental, at times physical well-being. We conveyed the need for transparency and support for affected doctors. We also explored the possibility of APPNE becoming a GMC recognized sponsoring body to address NHS staffing shortages by facilitating the recruitment of skilled, qualified doctors from overseas. After the upcoming election, I will lead on this project. It remains extremely important to facilitate the transition and assimilation of incoming international medical graduates into the British culture and healthcare system by developing guidelines, provision of training and induction sessions. APPNE will work closely with the General Medical Council and other IMG organizations on this. I believe that through continued collaboration with the GMC, we can make significant strides in supporting our community and ensuring fair and equitable treatment for all. I request to all of you to keep supporting me so I can continue working hard to make APPNE strong and fight for your rights at every forum. Thank you very much.